What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Today, I have one blaster box of 2017-18 Contenders basketball. Stopped by the local Target today, saw this, figured I'd pick it up. I haven't busted retail in a while, and you guys seem to love when we bust retail. So, got this blaster box for 20 bucks at Target. It says, let's see, we got 8 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. And we're looking for one autograph or memorabilia card. I'm going to bet that most of the boxes will include just a memorabilia card, but looks like we got a chance at autographs here, so let's rip into this and see what we got here. Alright, there's our 5 packs. And mix them up and let's see what we got here. See what we got in retail contenders. All right, we're going to start off with a base of J.J. Redick, Nikola Jokic, Harrison Barnes, Mike Conley. Turn around backwards. That's a insert front row seat. We got a Draymond Green, winning tickets insert. Goran Dragic, C.J. McCollum, and Ersan Ilyasova. Chandler Parsons, Dirk Nowitzki, LeBron James, Rudy Gobert. I have a Damian Lillard most valuable contenders insert. Elfrid Payton, Danilo Gallinari, and Eric Bledsoe. Avery Bradley, TJ Warren, Hassan Whiteside. We got an NBA. Oh, that's pretty cool. NBA draft lottery ticket of De'Aaron Fox. Pretty sweet little card. We got a winning tickets of Magic Johnson. Cool photo. Derrick Rose, Jabari Parker, Al Horford. 2 packs left. This one feels thicker. It's probably our mem, so. All right, we got Malcolm Brogdon, Jeremy Lin, Dwayne Wade, Marcin Gortat. We got a playing the numbers game, 59 points, Damian Lillard. Andrew Wiggins, Dwight Howard, and Steph Curry. Final pack, like I said, this one's a little bit thicker, so it looks like we got a mem card in here. I got Tyson Chandler, Kemba Walker, Aaron Gordon, and well, that's pretty cool. Got a dual jersey, Malik Monk and Dwayne Bacon. Rookie dual ticket. It's not numbered, but still cool nonetheless. Then we got a Hall of Fame contenders of Grant Hill, old school Pistons. Anthony Davis, Trevor Booker, and CP3. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.